Hi, RCSD educators. I want to show you how to use QuickTime. So if you go up here to the search function, you can type in QuickTime Player and click on it. Once you have done that, so mine's already down here, but I'm going to right-click Options. If you want it to stay down here in your dock, just click Keep in Dock. So I have my QuickTime Player there. When I click on QuickTime Player, I go up to the top here and hit File. New movie will record you, new audio will record just audio, or you can do a new screen recording. So I'm gonna do new screen recording. You can move the, where you want it to record. And then down here you have options. If you don't want the microphone, if you want a timer, different options, but I'm gonna hit record here. And it's recording. When I'm done, I hit stop. And then there's my recording. And so I can then go File, Save, and name the recording where I want it. So let's say I want this to save onto my desktop. And I want to call it QuickTime Demo. Hit Save. Close out of that. And then I can see my QuickTime videos here. And I can upload that to Drive. So that's how you use QuickTime Player to record your screen.